Yeah, we wanted to get her in as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Come get her checked out.
Yeah.
That way she eats good, sleeps good.
Right.
She kind of holds her head kind of to one side, maybe a little bit more than the other. Not terrible, but I definitely notice when I try to feed her, she'll always just like...
Always rotate one way. And that's common too, so we'll check that and see. Is it always like that, like always to the left?
Yeah, always this way.
Get you to grow up straight and tall.
That's right.
31.5 hour labor.
Mama's a trooper.
Yes.
It was long.
Yes.
It's long.
Yeah. And she was just born
Friday night.
Friday night, so 4 days?
4 days ago.
Oh, look at that little smile.
She's
Yeah.
Look at that.
Even smile.
All right, would you rather hold her like this or lay down on your back? It's totally up to you. What would you rather do?
Maybe. Is it okay if I just sit and hold her?
Yeah, it's okay if you do however you want.
Okay.
Whatever's more comfortable for you.
Yeah.
You can either stand and hold her like this, sit and hold her like that, you can lay on your back.
Oh, let me just sit and hold her. Do you want me which side? Would you like
You're fine right there. I'll just come around on it. Yeah.
Baby girl.
All right, just wash my hands. Hopefully they got too cold. Let's see what's going on here. I know, I tried to use warm water. How's she been as far as like going to bed? I mean, she's only 4 days, so there hasn't been too much, but.
Right, she's had several bowel movements, so that's good. She sleeps a lot, so we're actually,
Soaking that up?
So sometimes we have to wake her up to feed.
Okay.
So sometimes the bowel movements when she hasn't eaten in a while because she's just going to sleep.
Sure. Look at that face. Oh my gosh.
So what are you doing, Dr. Vivian?
So taking a contact down here and then adjusting these little areas. So we're just checking. It doesn't take much. It's like the same amount of pressure you used to use on press on your eyeball. So it's very gentle. It just doesn't take much. But like you said, having some problems with some rotation issues and things like that, we just want to make sure we get those things taken care of early, because then it becomes less of a problem later. It's so easy, she can just sleep right through it.
Best place to be right here.
What can they expect after the first adjustment?
More sleeping and probably a good big bowel movement.
We'll take it.
Yes, that's usually how that works out.
We're going through the color change. So.
Oh, good. Well, it is fall.
Yeah, just a seasonal change.
Yeah. It's great.
Yes,
So awesome.
honey.
Got her first adjustment.
Yay.
So sweet.
Okay. All right, do we hand her off to Dad?
Hand her off to Dad.
Okay.
Unless you want me to take care of Dad first and then you.
For me, I'm not sure that I can lay down.
Lay down, so seated.
Probably.
We can do that.
Okay.
We can do her seated here like this.
Okay. That's kind of what I was thinking just for
Yep.
the day.
Not a problem at all.
So do you just leave on the floor if you just want to hold her for a minute?
Look at that cutie.
Is that good? Yeah.
All right.
Do you ever think you'd stared at another human being as much as you have?
No,
Over the past 4 days?
I don't think that I realized exactly how much.
Uh-huh.
How much I've looked down in the past 4 days.
Yeah. And happy to do it all day long, right? Yeah.
Yes, so she's here and healthy.
Doing this seated because...
Because sometimes, after moms have delivered, it's hard to lay down. So we're going to do seated instead. We're going to use this instrument because you've been looking down at that beautiful baby. So we make sure we help. And a common area to have problems for once we've had the baby and everything is the neck and upper back area. It just gets so tight, You're constantly holding the baby, feeding the baby, getting the baby to sleep, all that kind of stuff. Then you've got the car seat and everything else just becomes a lot. So in this case, we'll use the instrument to help with all that. And then we'll loosen up those muscles. And these guys are needed.
I think she was thought like I see you.
That's a big
Yeah, she was like, Daddy, you're a combo. Who's that?
You can
For all
up
the
there.
credit.
Yes, that felt great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Open already.
That's so exciting.
Thank you, Dr. Vivian,
You're
very
so
much. That was
This little.
much needed, and I
Yes.
was looking forward to coming in as soon as possible.
I'm glad you got in so fast. It's
Yes.
awesome.